Hi, welcome to yet another episode of Candid Talks. As you all know, this is a show that talks about the story between can and did. A lot of us believe we can, only a few of us actually go out there, go that extra mile, and go do it. Who I have today as a guest on the show is someone who's had very humble beginnings coming from Agra and with a passion of conserving the environment, protecting the environment, has built an amazing company that focuses around sustainable construction. So who I have is Mr. Anurag Khandelwal, an architect and the force behind one of the fastest growing wooden houses and wooden architecture companies in India. Mr. Anurag, welcome to the show, sir. Thank you for your time. Thank you for taking your. I know you're a busy man. Thank you for taking time. How are you today, sir?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tejaji, for giving me this honor and such a elaborate introduction. Thank you so much. I'm very fine. Everything is okay. Yeah, please.
Thank you. So talk to us about a little about your company. What's it called? I know obviously, but for our users, I want to hear it from the horse's mouth. What went behind starting this? Talk to us about your journey on this, sir.
Uh, Tejaji, basically, I'm an architect by profession, so I'm basically a consultant. But what happened during this journey, we came across some projects in which we had to do a wooden house. I am always inclined towards doing some kind of sustainable and more eco-friendly projects, which actually inspired me to work with wood as a material because it's a very eco-friendly material. There is a myth which is in India that wood is not considered as an eco-friendly material, but as a professional, I know it's an eco-friendly material. I have hundreds of reasons that I can prove that it's an eco-friendly material. So I always wanted to work with a material which is eco-friendly, environment-friendly, and a construction technique that is much more advanced and is evolved to be to cater to the environment. So my journey started with a project that came across me where I wanted to do this wooden house project, and we started searching about the companies who can manufacture for us because there was no available infrastructure or vendor mechanism which can actually give the client the opportunity or the option to get
Right,
it done, right?
right, right,
So that is how the journey started, that we wanted to give them solution but the solution was not available. Then we
right,
had to actually get into the dive into the river and actually get the solution for the client. So that's how the journey started for a wooden house, and creating this kind of a platform and a company where we could actually deliver the wooden house solution to the client who inspired or wanted it.
right,
That's how the journey started.
right. So what's the logic or the theme behind selecting the name wood style? It's very unusual.
Uh,
So I'm just curious to know why wood style.
um, See, wood is the backdrop of the complete concept,
Correct.
right? And I wanted to keep it very simple so that a person can connect that it is something to do with wood. So, wood style basically, if you see the logo, it has a hand which creates a hut kind of
Correct.
a effect, right? If
Correct.
you can
Correct.
see that logo.
Yes.
So, keeping it very simple and straight, so we called it wood style as a house, right? It's a wood style as a house. If you
Right.
see, it's very simple. It creates two hand and it creates the logo, right? So just to get connect of a wood with the house, if you see the logo and with the above, I wanted that people can comprehend that it's a wooden housing company,
Very
right?
nice.
So that
Very
was
nice.
the whole concept. I didn't want to complicate it or say, I wanted my logo to say everything what I wanted them to understand about the company. So
Right.
if you see the logo, I think you'll be able to connect to the company's philosophy or the company's approach.
I will put the when I release the video, I'm going to put the logo as you speak. so
Yeah,
our users and listeners, I mean, our viewers and listeners can
sure.
see that as well, sir. Uh,
Yeah.